Digital marketing has become one of the most trending terms recently. Every kind of business is adopting digital marketing techniques. As digital marketing is being used for every small and large scale company, the number of job opportunities has increased as well. But how do you get these jobs, and what are the main things you should know about getting the job? Don't worry, today we are going to understand and know all the fundamentals of digital marketing. SEO. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is the first and the least expensive component of the fundamental of digital marketing. It is among the most effective and straightforward techniques to raise brand awareness. In order for Google, Bing, Yahoo, or any other search engine to index the content and display it to the appropriate audience during a search is something which is required. It must be optimized for search engine algorithms to strategic use of keywords. The process is known as SEO. Online advertising, where SEO was referred to as the most inexpensive aspect of the fundamental of digital marketing. Online advertising is the paid aspect, also termed as paid media. When you search for on Google, let's say digital marketing courses, at the top of the search result you would notice some links before the word ad is mentioned. This is an example of online advertisement. All these ads that pop up on your screen while you're scrolling through your Facebook or Instagrams are examples of paid media. Content marketing. Content marketing is a strategy to target the desired audience by creating relevant content, which can be in the form of articles, videos, podcasts, or any other media meant to engage and retain an audience. It can be achieved through blogs, newsletters, emails, etc. Content marketing is also an organic way of increasing traffic by developing SEO-friendly content and helping in increasing brand awareness. Email marketing. Maintaining communication with both the current and the potential customer is a simple and successful with email marketing tool. Targeting an audience with generic message is what email marketing is all about. It can be seen as an advertisement that has been the highest conversion rate, as it intended to drive traffic to the website. The majority of email marketing consists of emails that inform recipients of fresh deals, discounts to pique their curiosity. Social media marketing. Social media marketing is the practice of promoting goods or services using social media networks. The target can be reached in this way most simply and efficiently. We have all seen firsthand and the influence that social media has. Social media has a huge influence on our opinions, since social media marketing is when brands take advantage of the million people using social media to influence others with their ideas. These fundamentals, if understood properly, can help you become a successful digital marketer. To understand and learn more about digital fundamentals, you need to go through a course which is listed down below. You can take the Digital Marketing Foundation Masterclass to know more about the same. For more informative videos on digital marketing, do consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you.